Real quick, I want to show you how to modify your event settings so that the people that you invite don't see the details, like who's invited, so that they're not able to change the event. You're going to, the top right next to the week, this little drop down, you're going to hit the settings button, go to settings, and then you just want to make sure you're in general, which you will be, and you're going to go to event settings, and then right here, default guest permissions, click that. And you just want to make sure that modify event, invite others, see guest list. You want to make sure these aren't checked. So if, for example, if I check modify event, they get permission to all this other stuff. I'm going to uncheck these. Boom. And so now what that means is that by default, when I create an event, more options, by default over here, guest permissions, all of these are unchecked. And again, we're thinking of group community events. We don't want people to be able to modify the event. We definitely don't want them to be able to invite other people. They didn't buy a ticket. And we especially do not want them to see the guest list, because we don't want them to be able to see everyone's email address. You know, those are the people purchasing to attend your event did not ask for their email address to be blasted. So something to keep in mind. You can also just not do that and remember to uncheck these when you have public facing events. But personally, I do it by default. And that's it.